You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this word? Let's break it down. Alas. Alright, so let's break down the pronunciation. You have two syllables. Yes, it's a schwa sound. It's not a, it's a. Alas. It's used to express grief or pity or concern. Alas. Now you have a long a sound on the second syllable, and the stress is on that second syllable indeed. Alas. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.